Pulmonary fibrosis is a condition characterized by the uncontrolled activation of fibroblasts during the lung's repair process after damage, leading to the hardening of lung tissue and the gradual loss of its function. This condition is known as idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. With the support of the Department of Technology, Ministry of Economic Affairs, DCB has made substantial investments in establishing the first domestic platform for research and production of oligonucleotide drugs. This platform has successfully developed technologies for the synthesis, purification, and analysis of oligonucleotide drugs, enabling the production of pharmaceutical-grade oligonucleotide drugs weighing 100 milligrams, with a purity exceeding 90%. Collaborating with Dr. Kai-Chien from National Taiwan University, DCB has achieved groundbreaking advancements in developing a short, single-stranded oligonucleotide drug for the treatment of pulmonary fibrosis. The research will continue to progress towards clinical trials. The primary objective of this research platform is to advance technology and elevate Taiwan's research capabilities in the field of oligonucleotide drug developments, with the ultimate goal of bringing hope to patients.